Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to send disappearing photos and videos on Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Telegram account. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like so. After you open up your Telegram account, next thing you need to do is to choose a contact that you want to send disappearing photos or video to. So I'm going to simply choose a contact right here. So I'm going to choose this contact. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to choose a photo you want to send. It appear like this. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then right here, you can choose few ones, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or better still, 30 seconds. I'm going to choose view once. That's been active. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on send. And with that, this receiver is going to view this particular picture for once. Now, how do you send the same as video? Go back to your send to the icon, then choose the video that you want to use as an example. So I'm going to simply look for a video right here. So I'm going to use this video right here. Then what you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then choose view once and send. With that, you have sent disappearing photos and video on Telegram, which enable the viewers or the receiver to view the items, video, or picture once. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.